and I will be your guide today. Today we will be discovering birds from all over the world. Hi, that is my friend Mitra.
Hello everyone. Now I'm Mitra from the Bird Paradise. Sorry, let me say that again. Hi, I'm Mitra and I am a birder. I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now I've traveled from Scotland to Zululand all the way down to Antarctica to look for as many birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, Mitra here is very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Yeah. So, how many birds have you seen? Last year I saw about 1,000. This year I would like to break the record and see 3,000 or more.
Hashtag sure. Alright, now let's start our adventure and meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible big birds. First up, South America. We'll be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride on the Tango Pata River. You might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you! On the clay. Now it's actually one of the largest clay of its kind in the world.
And oh look, that is a great apple! Two wheels that allows them to eat unripe fruits. But there are toxins in those fruits, so clay helps to neutralize them. Clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet.
Amazing, right? That's right. No upset tummies. Well, looks like Adrian and Ferrari are enjoying their salty feast.
Now, Sabrina, I would like to see more birds. Let's not stop. Let's keep going and head to Southeast Asia.
Welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now, this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species. Hold on. Is that enough for you?
Yeah, but I would like to see more.
Yeah, never mind. Okay, so speaking about seeing more birds, everyone keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome our beautiful birds.
Wow.
Now this is Higgins. Higgins here is our green-winged macaw. Green-winged macaws are actually one of the largest in the macaw family. So did you know Higgins here is about 10 years old?
And right here with me I have Katie, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now cockatoos like Katie can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. And if you take a look at the yellow feathers on her head, well, that's called a crest. Sulfur is yellow, therefore they are known as the sulfur-crested cockatoos.
So now parents mate for life and make devoted parents. That means they take advantage of abandoned tree cavities or tree hollows just like this one to make their nest.
And they also use leaves, dried leaves, twigs and even tree barks as nesting materials. If the cavity is a bit too small, they will actually use their beaks to enlarge it. So in a very short while, both Katie and Higgins will be demonstrating the nesting behavior. Ready?
Alright, so if you want to see how does it look like from inside the nest, take a look.
Wow.
It's baby. Sure, double checking. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, Higgins and Katie, as well as our wonderful trainers.
Is that a rooster? A rooster here in the park? Oh look! That's a rooster!
No, Mita. There's your rooster.
No. That's an Amazon parrot.
Hold on, watch this. Hi. Okay, why don't you turn around? You want to do the sound of the rooster. Let's try this one more time. The rooster. Okay, the silent mode is on. Come on, I need you to focus. Rooster. Okay, by the way, this is Quincy and that is Amigo right over there. They are masters of mimicry, okay? So they're supposed to mimic some sound. So Quincy is going to do just that right now. Can we try this one more time? We do the rooster. Rooster. That's a whistling rooster. Quincy, don't embarrass me. I just told them they can mimic sounds. Can we try the first sound? The rooster. Okay, never mind. Looks like he is not going to do the rooster sound. We're not going to force the bird, okay? So we're going to move on to some other sounds, but before that, I'm going to get Quincy here to welcome all of you first. Let's see if she wants to do that, okay? Quincy, can you welcome them? There you go. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Now, in case you miss it, we're going to hear this one more time, okay? Are you ready? Can we do this one more time for our audience? Welcome them. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. What a polite bird. Let's see if she wants to do the rooster sound now that she's all warmed up. Okay, can you do the rooster? Rooster. Rooster.
I believe you now, Sabrina.
Okay, so Quincy, we can also mimic another animal sound. Okay, let's see if she wants to do the cat. No? You don't feel like doing the cat? Oh, you're still munching on your tree. Okay, let's do the cat. Sounds like a very fierce cat. Okay, the next sound will be a high-tech sound. Let's do the telephone. Telephone. Can we give Quincy a big hand, ladies and gentlemen?
Oh well, so when parrots imitate the sounds and calls made by their families, they're actually mimicking what they hear around them. So in this case, Amigo here is Mandai. You want to say that?
So in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Mandai star.
So I would like to hear this up close. So, Amigo, you want to say hello? Hello. Wow, that's a very sweet hello. Okay, since we all already know his name, let's just get him to say his name, okay? You want to tell everyone your name? Amigo. Very nice. Good job, Amigo. Okay, Amigo, there's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people?
How I am.
He is asking, how are you? So how is everyone feeling today? Good? That's very nice to hear. So Amigo is going to sing an English song, okay? A birthday song to be exact. And this song goes out to those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today, yesterday, or the rest of the month, okay? Amigo, you ready? Let's sing. Amigo, come. Concentrate. Ready? He tried to mix two songs together. Amigo, happy birthday song. I know that's your favorite song, right, amigo? Remember this song? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, that was me, okay? Let's try and get him to do that. Ready? Come. English song, amigo. Come, concentrate, okay? Ready? He's doing some warm-ups here. Amigo, no warm-ups now, okay? Full song. Happy birthday. Who told them you can sing the birthday song, you know? Okay, one last try. If I'm not going to force the bird, okay? Ready, amigo? Full song. Happy birthday. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Ready? Happy birthday to you.
Vô qua bên này con luôn.
Okay. Okay, by the way, that is a Mandarin song, a local children's song called Current Lie, okay? But by the way, he did a very amazing job, right? Let's just give him a round of applause, everyone. Thank you.
Okay. With that, thank you very much, Amigo and Quincy, our Amazon parrots.
Now, everyone, each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being sold into pet treats. Amazonian parrots can live up to 50 years in captivity. That is a lifetime commitment. They may look like they make good pets, but they won't.
That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, do come on down to Bird Paradise instead to visit all these beautiful birds.
Okay, Sabrina, what's next?
Oh yes, I wanted to tell you, did you know the Wings of the World is sponsored by Kellogg?
I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loops.
Since you love Fruit Loops, you'll be glad to know that this segment is proudly brought to you by Fruit Loops. So everyone, let's meet Elmo, our Togo toucan, also Fruit Loops ambassador. Hi Elmo. You want to enjoy some of his treats? Okay, in a very short while, Elmo is going to show off his amazing flying abilities. Are you ready? Okay, let's do this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, up. Okay, Elmo, come on. You know what to do. Right here.
Good job, Elmo.
Now, Togo toucans, they are known for their incredible strength and stability. Their bodies are very flexible that they can fly through gaps in the forest. For this case, it will be our giant Fruit Loop. Okay, one more flight.
Alright, Elmo, one more time. Come on. There you go. Round of applause for Elmo. And once again, thank you, Kellogg's Fruit Loops, for sponsoring Wings of the World presentation.
So we are going to meet another iconic species, the Oriental Pine Hornbill.
Alright, so right there with me, that is Olivia, our Oriental Pine Hornbill. Now Olivia here has a very heartwarming story. As a chick, she fell out of her nest and broke her spine. Okay, so right here at Bird Paradise, she's been nursed back to health because she would not have survived in the wild. So right here, she's got a safe, permanent home with us.
Okay, so hornbills and toucans, they have two main toes up front and broad soles. This well, Olivia. There you go, that is a very cute catch. And both hornbills and toucans, they have incredible strength, okay, which allows them to catch their prey in mid-flight. So both of them are going to demonstrate just that. We'll start with Elmo first.
You do Olivia first?
You do Olivia first? Okay. A count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Wow, that was an amazing catch! Well done, Olivia. Is that more ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, up it goes! Oh wait, that's my going. Let's try this one more time, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, up it goes! Hey, Elmo. You're trying to take shortcuts. We're going for the break on the floor. Okay, ready? Last try. Up it goes! Never mind, I'm pretty sure you've seen Olivia catching the grape right because I'm out of grapes already.
It's okay, no worries. With that, let's give a round of applause for Elmo and Olivia, our beautiful bird. Now everyone, hornbills, they have unusual nesting behaviors. Hornbills, they love to build their nests in tree cavities just like that big tree right up there. Right here at Mandai Bird Paradise, you can see this behavior without leaving your seats. From the smaller Oriental Pine Hornbill, Let's welcome Vicky, our great Pied Hornbill. Now, great Pied Hornbills like Vicky can be found in Asia. And did you know that in Borneo, some tribes believe that if a hornbill flies over a village, they will be blessed with good luck? Interesting, right? So when the female hornbills, they check out their nest cavities, they are usually very fussy about their accommodation. Okay, it has to be very spacious and have a chimney so they can escape if they want to. So Vicky is off to check out her nest cavity. Here she goes. So this time, the male hornbill will then bring her mud and she will mix that with her own to make a strong seal. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet her mate, shall we? Everyone keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Sunny!
Beautiful. So now what Sunny is doing, she is gathering food for Vicky. So, the male will gather food for the female and the nestling for up to 4 months. Right, in a very short while, Sunny will be bringing the gathered food to Vicky. Look at that. Okay, not to worry, if you miss this lovely gesture, take a look. So once again, this is Vicky. Vicky is checking out the nest hole. Now only if she likes it, she's going to hop right in. There she goes. Okay, and there you go. This is Sunny feeding the female. Now this unique nesting behavior is shared by nearly all 62 species of hornbills. Okay, we've got a big hand for Vicky and Sunny, ladies and gentlemen. Now everyone, hornbills are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted for their caste, hunted to extinction for their caste, which is known as the red ivory. So what's happening to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. So right here at Mandai Nature, we support conservation efforts to protect these endangered species. And that is why, as a birder, I love to see these birds in the wild as well as right here in wildlife parks, where they get the best care possible.
Speaking about best care, I'm Durga from Bird Paradise. Alright, me and my team work very hard to keep our birds active, engaged and enriched. Okay, so in a very short while, we will be introducing you to some beautiful corneas. Okay, so once they are ready, everyone keep your eyes up there and let's welcome our beautiful corneas. Wow! We have promised that this afternoon. Alright, the device that they are holding on to is called a monkey fist. Okay, we have hidden treats like nuts and seeds in those knots for our birds to forage. And this is so that they can express their natural behaviors. Now corneas, they are from South America and they are now endangered. Oh, looks like some of them have already headed back home. We have 2 more. Okay, only 1 more? Oh, okay, it looks like he's lost. Okay, hold up the monkey fist. Okay, we have 1 right here. Now speaking about them being endangered, over 800,000 birds are now sold in the pets trade, right? Okay, so we have 1 more guy who's supposed to be heading back home. Do you want to follow your friends back home? He is looking for more treats there. Okay, so corneas, now there are more corneas in people's homes than in the wild. So please do not keep them as pets, alright? And let's give it up for our corneas, everyone!
Thank you very much, Durga, for giving us some insights about enrichment for their resident
Birds, they are everywhere. Social or solitary, loving and fiercely protective of their young. Smart and agile, and that is why they are one of the world's most strongest creatures that we can find in our planet. And also, that is why I love traveling across continents to see these beautiful birds. But what I would like to see right now is birds from all over the world. Right here, right now.
Well, Mitra, I think your wish is about to come true.